Welcome to part 4 in our Pictocard overview series titled A Closer Look at Pictocard Lessons. Today we're taking a closer look at the Pictocard lessons as part of our multiplication set. The Pictocard multiplication lessons are designed to streamline the mastery of the 81 one-digit facts after students have learned basic concepts, vocabulary, and strategies using concrete models as described in our outline for introducing multiplication shown on the screen. Learning these concepts, vocabulary, and strategies prior to the Pictocard lessons allows students to stay focused during the lessons on learning the facts in a streamlined manner. Let me emphasize what this means. This means that when students are working through the lessons, they won't stumble over new vocabulary. They won't be sidetracked by concepts like reverse facts, the fact-family relationship, or the strategies of skip counting or regrouping. Students will already know the higher doubles and triples facts used in regrouping. Students' focus will be on using strategies, not learning strategies. With the stress of learning new vocabulary and concepts removed, the lessons can streamline the learning process. Groups of facts can be learned in an orderly manner, going into the brain like a well-ordered file cabinet. This enables students to process and retain the 81 one-digit facts in a timely manner. Orderly input maximizes successful output. So here's a look at the 3-step format used for every lesson in all 4 of our arithmetic sets. Each of the 9 lessons should be repeated over the course of several days until the student has a good grasp of the material before proceeding to the next lesson. Step 1. Identify or classify facts in this group. In step 1 of each lesson, the student sorts through the stack of Pictocards looking at the smaller factor of each card to identify facts that belong in the current lesson's group. Students learn what to look for in a multiplication fact to identify its group. The identification process is a focus of each lesson, emphasized as a separate step from the process of using strategy to solve a fact. This step sharpens students' strategic thinking skills. The strategy of grouping related facts strengthens associations and teaches students to match facts with the group strategy. Step 2. Practice the strategy for solving facts in this group. In step 2 of each lesson, students use the given strategy to solve facts in the lesson's group. For increased understanding, students are encouraged to talk about and teach what they're doing. Initially, objects are used as concrete models to solve facts. However, students will progress to using less concrete models, such as drawing pictures or using the Pictocard picture. Step 3. Create and update a big picture of facts learned. In step 3 of each lesson, students write the group's facts in shorthand form, like a fact icon, on a fillable multiplication chart. This fillable multiplication chart strengthens associations. As students come to understand the chart, they should teach about it using the student talking points in Appendix A. This 3-step format is customized for each of the 9 lessons in our multiplication set. Please check back for part 5 in our series where we work through Lesson 4, Multiplying Row 4. Thank you for watching.